Hi guys, for today's video, another safety tips for this product. Before use, please make sure the power supply is sufficient. Do not give the product to children under 8 years of age. This product is made of non-toxic materials. If any discomfort occurs during use, please remove the product and seek professional medical advice. Wear the product on your wrist and be aware of the risks associated with wearing it in a way that suits you or is comfortable with you. Before launching, please make sure that the product settings are in line with your dive plan. In the meantime, I suggest you to stick to your dive plan. Underwater, it is your responsibility to constantly verify the data displayed on the product. If you do not understand the information, please be sure to contact your coach, the purchase of dealers, and business representatives. See you on my next video.